Hi grade 4s. Last time you did online portal work, we started with the revision of 2D shapes, and then we went into perimeter, and then we went into area. And before we go into volume, which was the third part of our new topic, we need to revise some 3D shapes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. What are 3D objects? Well, 3D objects are shapes that you can pick up and hold. They have 3 dimensions. So these are objects that you can pick up physically off the ground. The 3 dimensions that they have are length and breadth and height. Length is how long something is. Breadth is how wide something is. So we can also call breadth width sometimes. And height is how high something stands off the ground. Height is the 3rd dimension of a 3D object. So a 2D object does not have height. When we look at the properties of 3D objects, we can group the 3D objects into 2 groups. The first group is called prisms. Now a prism has 2 polygons of the same shape for its base and its lid. So remember, a prism doesn't always have to sit or stand on the base. So in this example, there is a hexagon as the base and the lid, and all the other faces are rectangles. So you name a prism after the shape of its base. This shape of the base is a hexagon, so it would be called a hexagon-based prism. Or you can make it sound a little bit better and call it a hexagonal prism. Okay, remember a polygon is a flat 2D shape that is closed and it has straight sides only. So for an example, if the base was a circle, then the shape wouldn't be called a prism. Okay, the next group that we have is called a pyramid. A pyramid has 1 polygon as its base, so one flat, closed, straight-sided shape at the bottom. That is exactly what the prism stands on, otherwise it will be very lopsided. So all the other faces of a pyramid are triangles, and they meet together at a point called the apex. So if you have a look at this pyramid here, we also name pyramids after the shape of its base. The base of this pyramid is a triangle, so it would be called a triangular based pyramid or just a triangular pyramid. Okay, just again some terminology that you need to remember. Any closed shape that has only straight sides is called a polygon. Take a look at some examples of 3D objects. We have already covered this topic before, so this is just a bit of revision. The first shape on the left is a cone. It's got a circle as its base, and it comes up to a point. It is not a type of pyramid because the base is a circle and a circle is round, which means that it's not a polygon. So because the base is not a polygon, a cone cannot be called a pyramid. It's a separate type of exception. Then we've got a cube, and then we've got a cylinder. Also, a cylinder has a base and a lid that is in the shape of a circle, and they are connected by a rectangle. So you would think that it's a prism, but it's not, because a circle is not a polygon. Then at the bottom on the left, we've got a rectangular prism, then a sphere, which is neither a prism or a pyramid. It's also in a group on its own. It's basically a tennis ball. And then we've got a triangular based pyramid.